Hi guys, this is a very short Godot tutorial, and in this one I want to show you how to rotate our third-person character. In the previous part we wrote a script to move the character around in the environment, but this looks a bit strange without rotating the character, so this is what we are going to do today. We will extend the script and set the rotation to the direction he's moving. So open the character GDScript and add a variable to store the node for the character. Then I get this node and assign it to the variable in the ready function. And in the physics process method I'm going to add the rotation logic. Okay, so let's see. First we have to check if the character is moving, and what we know is the direction of the movement, and there's a nice mathematical function called arcus_tangents2 that returns the angle of the movement for the parameters x and z of the horizontal velocity. After that I get the current rotation of the character and store it in a local variable. This is a three-dimensional vector, and the y-axis of this I set to the angle variable. Okay, and the last thing that we have to do is to set the new rotation for the character. So that's it. I think this should work now. So let's start this and move the character around. And this looks pretty cool. In the next part I will show you how to let the camera follow the player. So we will implement a camera follow script. I hope you guys find this interesting. I really love to create these tutorials. It's fun, but also takes a lot of time. So please consider supporting me on my Patreon to help this channel grow. Thanks for watching guys, and come back soon to JNM.